Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab. If you're new, today in the lab we're going to be doing a full face of makeup products I've never tried before. So I'm going to be giving you guys my review at the end of the video and just sharing my thoughts as we go on while I'm creating this makeup tutorial. So if you're interested in makeup tutorials and first impressions of products, give this video a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And without further ado, if you want to see how I got this makeup look, then keep on watching. So I'm going to be using some new products that I've never tried before. Some of them I have, some of them I didn't, but I've already toned my face. I am going to go in with my serum. I mentioned this in my Sephora haul. Go ahead and check that video out. This is the Herbivore Emerald Glow Oil, and because I'm going to be doing a few matte products today, I want to make sure my skin is really prepped. So I'm going to go ahead and place these drops on my face. And this, like I said, this is the Emerald Cannabis hemp oil, and it looks like this. It's definitely glowy. It smells really nice. It's lightweight on the skin. Now let me put some chapstick on because my lips are dry. This is the Too Faced peach lip balm. Let's try. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my primer. And I have two primers here. I have the Nars Radiance Primer Broad Spectrum with SPF 35 sunscreen. And I also have the new Instant Matte Pore Refiner by YSL. So, the foundation that we're going to be going in with is the Nars Velvet Matte Foundation Sticks. I have two of them. One is in the shade Medium 3 Stromboli, and the other one is in Medium Dark 2 Tahoe. So I'm going to be mixing these together. I'm going to be using one as concealer, whatever. One is too light, one is too dark, I believe, but we're going to see. I like how this is going on. So let me go ahead and moisturize first before I decide what primer. I'm going to go in with the new Keihls Calendula Serum Infused Water Cream. You guys, if you have not seen my stories on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. I'm telling you, I be posting some skincare goodies. Comment down below if you want to see like a video of like skin prep before makeup, like a prepping video for your skin. But so far I'm liking this oil. I'm just gonna press that in. But this is a lightweight water cream, almost like the Tatcha. But this one is really good and it smells like bomb, and it has calendula in it. So calendula plant definitely helps smooth rosacea. If you have rosacea, redness, anything like that, just calms the skin, keeping it really smooth and soft. So that is that. So we're gonna go in. Let's see. Since I'm using the Nars, a lot of Nars products, and I'm gonna go in with this Nars Radiant one because I like to look radiant. I'll use the YSL one next time. I'm gonna use this. This looks like it's going to be super radiant, but I'm only going to use a little. So now we're going to go into the foundation since our skin is nice and prepped. I'm going to start off with the Tahoe one. I don't know how this is going to go, but like I said, I believe the Tahoe is a bit deeper than what is going to be perfect for my discoloration down here. But we can always lighten it up with concealer. So wow, all of those products that I just prepped my face with is definitely give me a glow. I've never tried this stick, so I'm excited to see. That's why I'm going ham, because I don't really use sticks, I use liquids. So we shall see. And I'm going to go in with a sponge because you guys know I like using a sponge. Wow, this looks really good. A little bit of this oil, you guys, goes a long way. So I'm going to go in with the Stromboli shade in Medium 3, and I'm going to use that as my concealer. See how light that is. Don't worry about the shine right now. I'm going to calm it down a bit once I put my powder on. I'm gonna use a little bit of that, and I'm gonna put a little bit of my Too Faced concealer, only because I'm not sure how that is gonna, you know, act by itself or give me enough coverage. Alright, now taking my Laura Mercier powder. I don't have a new translucent powder besides the Too Faced one, I believe, in my collection. I don't know, I just grabbed this Laura Mercier one because I know it's gonna do what it needs to do. And I'm just gonna bring some of this shine down, honey. Woo! Alright, so for the eyes, we're gonna go into the Anastasia Rivera palette. You guys never see me talk about this palette a lot because I haven't even used it like that. I swatched it and I was like, I'm gonna come back to it. So I'm gonna try to do a quick look with this palette just because I have it in my collection. So I'm gonna go in with the Nars Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base. This one feels really lightweight. It's not as thick as some concealers. Yeah, this one's really lightweight. So as per, I'm gonna start off with a base color. I'm gonna go into Estate and place that all over my lid. Now this palette is definitely a little bit different from the Alyssa Edwards palette. They both have bright colors in them, but this one has a few like deeper shades that you could possibly work with if you are into color. The top row of this one has a lot more shimmers than the Alyssa Edwards palette. So there's a bit of a difference. Now I'm gonna go into Cabana, which is this like mustard yellow shade, and put that in on top of that Estate shade. I want to play with this purple, so we're going to play with this one. Going back into my fluffy brush, this is the MAC 224 brush. I'm going to go into this pink shade, which is Monte Carlo. And I'm going to try to blend the purple out at the top. I'm a bit scared because sometimes these type of colors, they tend to get blotchy. It's weird. Like they'll start patching up. So we shall see. I don't know how I feel about this, but I'm going to go ahead and put on Seaside in the middle of that, which is like this like holographic type of blue purple shade. I'm just gonna pop that in the middle. This is basically what I'm gonna do with the eye. A lot of fallout's happening, so I'm a little annoyed that this part right here is looking the way it is, but that's why I usually do my eyes first, but today I didn't. So I was so excited to try the skin products and stuff. So I'm gonna pop on some lashes and then I'll be right back so that we can finish the face. Alright, so I went ahead and did the bottom lash line, put in the same colors, and then put on my falsies. So now we're gonna go ahead and bronze. I'm gonna be bronzing with the Nars bronzer in the shade Casino. I love this bronzer. Like, it's really good. But first I'm gonna put this on and then I'm gonna build it with the Benefit one. But I love how it just really like, do you guys see that? I'm gonna put a little bit more warmth with my MAC mineralized skin finish in the shade Dark Deep. I have the Super Orgasm blush by Nars as well, so I'm gonna put a little bit of this on just to add a little color to the cheek. For highlight, I'm going to go in with another Nars product. This is in the shade Albatross. It's a highlighter, and it looks like this. I'm going to swatch it and see. So it's like a champagne-y gold type of color. I'm going to go ahead and put that on. Ooh, I didn't realize it was like this. But it's a pretty like yellowy gold. I like it. I'm not mad at it. And to brighten it up a bit, I'm going to go back into Albatross highlighter that we use for the highlight. For lipstick, I'm going to go in with the NYX lip liner in the shade Nude as an eyeliner. For lipstick, I'm going to go in with the Nars lipstick in the shade Anita. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Thumbs up if you like makeup tutorials. Comment down below if you tried any of these products before and your thoughts on those products and things like that. So yeah, this is the final look. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.